Well, I got a package the other day, and it's from Brian Porter of West Springfield, Mass. And I've already opened it here. It came with a letter. And the letter says, "For the poor, overworked, underappreciated track foreman and one-man crew, a little help. Brian." Nice signature, Brian. Well, thank you very much. Thank you very much for the letter, and get these out here. Husky knee pads. My knees, thank you, Brian. You know, I have the best viewers on this channel, I think. You guys are wonderful. I appreciate this. So, it's a short video today, but one of gratitude. You guys are wonderful. Thanks again, Brian, and we'll have to catch you in the next video, where we might have something to say about this. More to come later.